Assalamu alaikum. Today was the back to school giveaway for the Somali community of Louisville. We were giving our students and the parents, back to school supplies, also giving them resources on the things they need, mental health resources, digital literacy resources, and also some hygiene products for our students. And it was a beautiful day, so they can come to the community center, and those families that needed sign up for the after school program, they sign up. Those who wanted to sign up for the ESL, they sign up. And it was a beautiful day, and we do this every year. And we want to say thanks to the Mary Hurst for donating backpacks. And it's just about community collaboration, and I want to say thanks to everyone else who made this event happen. Thank you.